work order with that equipment, the pop-up message will come that warranty check message will be appear, and you can communicate to him. Create order, direct, continue. So once you create the order, notification will be generated in the background. So we will see that scenario. So we'll create order, notification will create background. You can cancel the work order also. CART, you can close, not complete it. You can cancel by mistakenly if you create order. So just go to order, function, complete, do not execute. Permit icon, we have seen. Permit icon, we can go permit and we can assign the permit. Okay. Then component assignment. So if we reserve the component as a stock material, system will check the availability. Material reservation, we have seen in one of the work order. We have done moment type 261 for this material reservation, release order, print order, goods issue, me go. Next. If non-stock material, then component assign as a N. Then PR will be create, PO will be create, GR will be there, invoice receipt and goods issue. So we will see that today. So we will assign the non-stock material, we will create PR, PO, me go. Though that all activity will be person for training purpose, we will run the scenario. If system get error, then we will see. But if everything is configuration is okay in our system, then we can do till the me go, no issue. Let's see. So resource planning operation. So here, as we seen, if one person total work duration is 5, then it will be go to 5 hours each person. One person 5 hours. And here you will see here control key each operation PM01 for internal activity you need to update PM01, for contract labor PM02 and external activity PM03. So in work order we will use all 3 control key.
Okay.
Yeah. In here short text for external services as a PM03, we need to update the services. So if configuration is okay, then system will allow us to update this activity. And here in component tab, we will assign stock item and non-stock item. For stock item, reservation will be created. For non-stock items, PR will be created. Next, once order is released, reservation effective can be withdrawn. PR will be created. Shop paper printed. Confirmation possible. And goods movement are possible. Only release of order. Release of order means we can start our activity. Okay, so release, here is the checkbox. So release icon. So you can print the order after releasing. And if you not release the order release. Okay, if you not release the order, then system will not allow to print the order. So there is a customization setting. And permit. Order release refuse if permit is not available or permit has not given. Go to and print the order. Next. PM01 and PM02. Settlement will be done to cost center automatic. So we will get one message there, pop-up message there. We need to update the cost center. So this is FICO team will give. So just fill the function location and material correctly. Do not fill up the settlement rule manually. So what happens, that cost will be captured in cost center. For PM04, settlement will be material. Okay, and PM06 AUC asset unit. Okay, so settle will be asset unit manually. So once we run that order type, you will see how the cost will be settled.
Okay.
So next, here, determine cost. So this tab, we can determine the cost. External service activity, external material, warehouse issue. So plan cost and actual cost. So plan cost and actual cost will be equal once you settle everything. And once you the take off at that time, total cost will be captured. So we will run that scenario and we will see how the cost calculation will be done, and cost will be end cost, effective cost will be captured in the cost center. So I think we can directly go and I will show you, but for reference you can see. Okay. So let's start. Order type will be maintenance order, equipment, media. Okay, just enter. Okay. So here we will done all the operation. We are doing overhauling activity. So system status is created, no material availability, and dates are not updated. Just type in enter. So overhauling of DG. So currently for my estimated cost is 400. Okay. Activity type is repair. So it's a PM activity type. Don't confuse with a control key activity type. It's a PM activity type. So it will be repair activity. And these are the dates. So from which date to which date we perform this activity. You can change the date. So if I done the high priority, then okay, I will do low priority. Save this. Okay, so order got created. I will go to /IW22. Open the order. So here I think some configuration we need to do at the time of order configuration. Here right now dates are not changing as per priority. So by configuration we can assign the dates with priority. I think for PM01 the customization has not done. So in one of the sessions while doing customization we will see how this priority will change the date. So let's go ahead and start the operation. So this main operation will be copied with first operation. So this is control key with PM01. So here I will update to number of person. So okay, otherwise I will do one thing overhauling. I will remove this. Let's me operation 1. Operation 1 with internal. Okay. Operation 1 with internal labor and operation 2 also with internal labor. So 2 operation will be performed by internal labor. It will take will take for second operation, it will take 2%, 1.5. So internal level, what will do? They will assign the lockout, tagout, or initial activity. They will be performed like a normal dismantling, normal TG dismantling like this. Small things will perform by internal level. Okay. If any wall needs to, if any control panel need to check or engine overficial activity will be performed by our internal level. Okay. Right now, after that, contract level will become in picture. Contract level will start the dismantling or see any normal activity like motor or everything or alignment like this. If contract level come and they will perform that activity, I will add here contract. Okay, contract labor. Okay, operation 1. It's operation 1 for contract labor. Control. So contract level will be performed 1, 2, and 3 operations. Again, their time will be again depends. I will just random time. It's totally random, and there will be again this 1%. Okay. So I will change here. If I change to PM01, you will see what is the difference. I will change PM0. PM0. Enter. Okay. So PM02 system has given. Okay. So currently they have not given me any pop-up. So in the background, everything is customized for PM02. So let's start with external third-party vendor. So DG expert has come, and we have seen the engine major damage or like a major any fault in the motor or something. It's not under our control with contract level also, and so we will call vendor external third-party vendor. So I will add here party. They will perform operation 1 and same third party operation 2. Okay. So it will be take 5 hours and 6 hours. There will be again 2% from third party. Okay. Okay. So once I change to PM03, there should become one pop-up message. So in that we need to assign. So which vendor will perform and what will be the activity. Let's see PM03 and PM03. Enter. Okay. Okay. Purchase requisition extra can't be generated. Okay. So let me. No issue. Okay. System has not been no issue. No issue. Okay. Let's see. I will go to external. Okay. Because system has not given automatic pop-up message. So we need to select the operation and click on external. Here you will see third party operation. So purchase requisition for service activity element can't be generated. Okay, fine. Okay, no issue. I think we need to perform some activity. Let me go back. That's why I inform you that let me go. Okay. So for PM03 in external tab, there will be service number. So we need to add the which vendor will come to perform that activity.
Okay.
So yeah, we need to check and we need to see the which service which vendor will perform this service. So let's go. Okay, and I will just check any services available. Electrical installation, plumbing, wall installation, plumbing. So all that services. Basically, there is a one team which is the part of material management. So that team will handle all the external service operation.